Hello guys, today I'm going to be making French toast. So the ingredients on the screen now: 2 cups of milk, 4 eggs, a couple of toasts, 2 tablespoons of cinnamon, and orange zest, which is optional. Okay, so now the first steps are to pour the eggs into the milk and then just mix them thoroughly. Okay guys, so now we're just putting in the orange zest and the cinnamon. So yeah, as I said before, the cinnamon is optional, and yeah, you just pour them in and mix them until you get a nice brown milkshake. Okay, so as you can see on the screen right now, this is the milkshake color that I was talking about before. So yeah, after that you just pour it into the container if you want. Like we're pouring it into a container because there wasn't really a chance that we were gonna put the toast inside that little pot right there. Okay guys, so now we're just putting our toast onto a mixture and then onto a frying pan so we can fry the toast. But before you do that, make sure you put the butter. Now make sure to flip the toast from side to side every once in a while, just so one side doesn't get burnt. And okay, so now we're just flipping the toast a little bit more, from side to side a little bit more, and now we're just okay, so we took out the other toast. Now we're just gonna put in a little bit more butter, and I know, it's a terrible scene, but still, you know what I mean. You have to put butter every time you put in a toast. So yeah, we put 2 in at the same time on the frying pan, just okay guys, so now we finished our food, and we have the oranges. We put some honey, we put some cream, and we put some extra sprinkles and stuff, so you can have it with whatever you want. And yeah, thank you for watching the video. See you in another one. Bye bye.